Hello and welcome. I am the Danish Looter, and today I will be opening Pop in a Box. Pop in a Box. Pop in a Box. It has only been 2 days ago I opened the last Pop in a Box but that was because not all the pops that I ordered was inside. So hopefully the rest will be in this one. I did go ahead and I subscribed to 6 pop figures, and in the last box I only received 2. So hopefully the last 4 will be in this one. It is a bit larger than the last one, and this one, thank God, has no broken corners. So no pops inside should be damaged by that. But with no further ado, let's get inside, and have a look at the wonderful pops inside. Careful, careful. There we go. Ho-ho-ho! A lot of bubble wrap, good to see. And the first one. Oh! It is La Muerte from Book of Life movie, and it is a Hot Topic exclusive. Glows in the dark. Ooh. Ooh, that is so awesome. Holy crap, there's a lot of details. I don't know if you can see it, but the paint job is really good. And there's a lot of details to this particular figure. So that is so awesome to see. Really nice, and a little dent right there, but nothing too messed up. And other than that, it is in perfect condition, so that's very cool. We have the back right here. There you go. All right, that is so cool. Nice. And we have Ted from Ted 2. I haven't seen the second one yet, but I did like the first one. So that's a neat figure. It looks kind of grumpy though. Not an exclusive, and in the top, I don't know if you can see it on the video, it does have a little dent right here, but nothing too bad, and it can easily be fixed. And yeah, and just a teddy on the back. So there we go. That is cool. Collect the entire line of Funko Pop movies, super stylized vinyl figures. Well, I'm trying. And we have more. And this one is another exclusive. This one is from Arrow, and it's Deathstroke Unmasked. So there we go. That's pretty cool. The sticker says Underground Toys exclusive. I believe that this sticker is the European sticker because we have some shitty laws in Europe, and some of the stickers from the USA, well, including this one, we can't use. So they made up another sticker called Underground Toy stickers. So there we go. So that's the one. So it's not the original exclusive sticker, but it is still an exclusive sticker. So that's pretty cool. Not the best paint job though, but it is an awesome figure. Deathstroke Unmasked. And we got the back right there. So that's awesome. Very cool. And we have the last one. And the last one is also from Arrow. It is Oliver Queen. Arrow himself. There we go. So that's kind of nice. It does have a little dent right there as well, but nothing too fancy. Other than that, they're quite good. Yeah, it's all right. Same back as the other one, so that's cool. I love when you get more from the same series. That is so cool. So very nice, very nice. So these were the four last of the total 6 pop figures that I ordered for Pop in a Box. If you don't know what Pop in a Box is, look down below in the description and get your own, because they're awesome. And it is now empty. Yeah. Cool. I have subscribed to the 6 pops, so I will get 6 props from now on each month, and I will be making the video as I receive them. I did check up, and they actually wrote on their website that they will be sending out the pops when they compare them to my account. So when they find some pops that I don't have, they just ship them out. So that's why I didn't receive all 6 pops in one box. But doesn't matter to me as long as I get them all. It's a-okay. Yeah. So I guess that's it for this month Pop in a Box. Thanks a lot for watching, and of course subscribe to the channel so you get notifications about the next videos to come, and there will be more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!